Welcome back to another trigger and reel video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these. There aren't too many purposes for making one of these, unless you just want to like throw them into the ground, but they are just, I find them just very fun to make. Yeah, to practice, you know, whittling and that. Just gonna do it. So it's about that long, size reference. I've got this block here, just a bit of macrocarpa firewood. I've got my tools, a hatchet, and my pocket knife of my choice. You can use any pocket knife of your choice. Right. So what I'm going to start by doing is lopping off this bit, and then I'm going to whittle down shape, and then when it gets to the actual carving of it, I'm going to use the knife. Like so. And I think what we want to do is I didn't be able to make a bit of kindling from this. I do apologise for the bad audio. It's a bit windy. There we go, that's about as much as we want to do with the hatchet. Cool. So, just here. It's about the same length, thereabouts, maybe a bit longer. That's okay, same result. Just realised I'm not sure how to do this. You do want to pick an end, for which end you want the point to be. I think I'm going to go with this end to be the point. Yeah. If you're wondering why the camera ring is so bad, it's because I'm holding the phone with my knees. Yeah, so you just want to keep whittling, you know, here's about where the handle's going to be. Just keep whittling to make that nice roundish shape. This is going to take a while, so yeah, just keep making that round shape. Well, that's that. I've misplaced the original one. Tahi, where did you put it? Cheeky dog. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one. I did find it, with more dog drool, round the corner.